What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,082. So we have taken a dip from yesterday's price compared to yesterday's price. As you can see, Bitcoin is trading in this consolidated, like, narrow trading pattern on the 1 hour chart specifically. We've been trading in that particular pattern on the 1 hour chart for the past couple of days. This is usually a good pattern to continue to see in all markets, including Bitcoin and crypto. It gives us a reassurance on what the price could possibly do next. Not necessarily an absolute, but we could see a theoretical possibility on what the price can do next. As you can see with on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 4 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 5 touch points. As seen drawn within the green marker and the channel with that green marker, that is my prediction on what the price can do next, the candlesticks to be exact. That is just my opinion. It can go any other way. It won't necessarily go that way in specific. That was just a drawing that I made to kind of give you guys my opinion. As you can see on the top trend line, Bitcoin has that orange arrow. That's just an indication we could theoretically break that top trend line and move upward in price. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act and the Middle Eastern conflict. Same with the bottom orange arrow. We could break that bottom trend line and dip even further depending on the economic situations. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? As you can see within the chart, there are other patterns that you can draw if you actually look closely, if you zoom in. But I did draw you guys that continuation, kind of like narrow consolidated pattern. But I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin trading activity. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $63,109. So relatively the same compared to the 1 hour chart. As you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this sort of consolidated, well, not consolidated, but this upward ascending like channel. This channel particularly means a more bearish outlook, more bullish perspective. But again, depending on the macroeconomic conditions, patterns aren't necessarily absolute of what the price can do next. Just an educated guess. We could be go in a more bearish outlook. Just depends on the situation and the context of the economics. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 3 touch points. As seen drawn with the green marker within the channel, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. Again, it may not go like that verbatim. We might not see it go exactly that way, but that is okay. The candlesticks definitely will move their own way. We could actually break that bottom trend line as indicated with the bottom orange arrow. And the top orange arrow also indicates we could break that top trend line and go upward in price. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Do you agree with it or not? What systems do you use, indicators, patterns, or any other tools for your technical analysis? What do you particularly use? I would love to know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.